In today's video, I'll share some tips that how to overcome his own fear. Let's start identify and acknowledge your fears. Start by recognizing and acknowledging the specific fears that hold you back. Understanding what triggers your fear is the first step towards overcoming it. Face your fears. Gradually, take small steps towards facing your fears. Gradually expose yourself to situations or activities that make you anxious or fearful. This progressive approach allows you to build confidence and resilience over time. Challenge your negative thoughts. Fear often stems from negative thoughts and beliefs. Challenge those thoughts by asking yourself if they are rational or if there is evidence to support them. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations and realistic perspectives. Seek support. Share your fears with a trusted friend, family member, or therapist. Having someone to confide in can provide emotional support and valuable insights. They can offer guidance and encouragement as you work through your fears. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Learn more about the specific fear you're facing. Understanding the causes and facts surrounding your fear can help alleviate anxiety and provide a sense of control. Practice relaxation techniques. Engage in relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness exercises. These techniques can help calm your mind and body, reducing the intensity of fear responses. Visualize success. Use visualization techniques to imagine yourself successfully overcoming your fear. Visualize the desired outcome and focus on the positive feelings associated with conquering your fear. This can boost your confidence and motivation. Take action. Take deliberate actions to confront your fears. Start with small, manageable steps and gradually increase the difficulty as you gain confidence. Each successful encounter will reinforce your belief in your ability to overcome fear. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Accept that setbacks and failures are part of the process. Learn from them and adjust your approach if needed. Use failure as a stepping stone towards growth and eventual success. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your victories along the way. Give yourself credit for the steps you've taken to overcome your fears. Celebrating progress boosts your confidence and reinforces positive behaviors. Remember, overcoming fear is a personal journey that takes time and effort. Be patient.